Episode of Just Cooking, we'll be making steak and cheese stuffed peppers. Now we're going to start by cooking our meat, but I'm going to show you the meat that I use first. So I get this meat from Sam's Club. It's a thin slice, sharp sirloin steak strip. And this is how they come. 4 in the pack. 4 in the pack, so you just bust them open. Just put them right on in there. And the 3 packs that come in that box, the 3 sleeves come in there. So I'm going to use two sleeves. So I'm not going to season the meat yet. I'm just going to let it cook. I'm going to put the top on it so it can simmer in its own steam. Okay, so we'll be back in a Just Cooking moment with the steak. Okay, so you see the meat's cooking and you see how it's just like coming apart. So you just want to break it apart just like that. You want to do that to all of them. They're all just coming apart. Because you know you don't want the steak and cheese to be in clumps. You want it to be broke up real nice. And evenly broken so you have a taste of every piece of steak in your stuffed pepper. So I'm going to break this up and let this finish cooking, and I'll be back in a Just Cooking moment. So now I want to tell you how you're going to cut the bell peppers. So I have already cut the bell peppers, so you're just going to basically slice the bell pepper down the middle, clean them out, and you're going to lay them in the pan face down like so. And you're going to cook them in a stove for 20 to 25 minutes so they can get soft. You're going to put them in the stove for 25 minutes until they're a little tender. Okay, so this is how you're going to cut them, and this is how you're going to place them in your pan to cook for 25 minutes at a temperature of, I'm doing 350. Okay? All right, so we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so now that the meat is done, I'm going to cook my onions and my mushrooms. So you just cut your onions, you slice them up, and you put them in. Okay, so now that you see our mushrooms and onions are cooked, we're going to put our meat back in. We're going to put our steak back in. And we're going to cook it together for a couple of minutes. And we're going to put the seasoning on because I didn't put any seasoning on yet. So we're going to put a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of Larry's, and a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And we're going to stir that right in. Okay, so now we're still waiting for the peppers to get done. We're just going to let this cook a little bit more, and then we'll be back to stuff the peppers in a Just Cooking moment. So now we're back with the steak. And I'm going to put in some cheese just to make it hold in the stuffed pepper. So I'm going to put some, this is a 6 cheese Italian blend. So it has like Parmesan, it has mozzarella Romano, and, oh yeah, it does have Parmesan. Okay, and Asiago. So we're going to stir this up. Going to stir this up, and then we're going to scoop them right into these peppers. You see the peppers, they are soft, they're giving. So now we're going to get a spoon and we're going to scoop the meat right in the, you want to put a nice healthy serving in the pepper. Do that look hefty enough, Kwashira, or should I put some more in there? Put some more?
No.
It's hefty
good.
enough? Okay. Yeah. So now we're going to go to the next one and scoop that right in. That's why it's so good to wear gloves. So you can just use your hands at times when it calls for using. Okay. Make sure all of it's in there. Okay. All right, so when I went to the store to get the cheese, I got two different types of cheese. I have a Land O'Lakes sharp white cheese. I'm going to put that on top of 3 of them. And then I got a provolone cheese. And I'm going to put that on 3 of them. And I'm kind of like, I really want to put 2 because I really want it to be nice and cheesy. What you think, Kwashira? Should I put 2 slices of cheese up there? Or should I just leave the one? What you think? Put another piece?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll do it. Go for the good stuff. That one broke, but it's okay. Alright, so provolone is kind of thick, so it doesn't matter. Cheesy steak and cheese, stuffed peppers. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to put them back in the oven. Everything in the inside is cooked, so now we're just waiting for the top to get melted, and we'll be back in a just cooking moment. Okay, so here go our finished product of steak and cheese stuffed peppers. Make sure you get a picture. All right, so there we go. There you have it. It looks so good. So we're going to wait for the rest of the food, and then we'll be back to let you know just how good this stuffed steak and cheese pepper is on Just Cooking. Okay, so now we're here with Just Cooking, and we're back with our stuffed peppers. And we have a salad on the side to go with it. Kwashira has the provolone, and Drea has the Land O'Lakes cheese. Okay. Bon appetit.
American cheese?
Yeah, Land O'Lakes American cheese. All good. Let me know how it tastes. Should have shook that dressing up, Kwashira.
I did.
Okay.
You want some of this?
No, you can bite into it just savage self. She's a savage. Let us see the inside of it. Okay.
Oh.
It's dripping, child. All them juices. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's good. I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
all
my
right.
God. Jesus. All right. This is like a healthy Philly cheesesteak.
Right. It really is, because there's no bread to go with it. So, I think they enjoyed it, guys.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay, they're giving it 2 thumbs up. All right. Thanks, guys. Try it at home. Subscribe to our channel, like, and give us some advice. What you think I should have put in or took out. Let me know. It's always good to help each other with meals. We like to eat. All right. Just cooking. Bye.
Right, strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica. Girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't.